Hello everyone. Today, let's take an easy and detailed look at how to sign up for Binance and how to set up all certifications. By signing up through the link in the description, you'll receive a 20% trading fee discount plus exclusive sign-up rewards. Don't forget to use that link if you want to claim these benefits. First, I'll walk you through how to create your Binance account. When you open Binance using the link below, you'll be directed straight to the sign-up page. On this screen, you'll see the 20% fee discount and various welcome rewards for new users. You can register using either your email address or your mobile phone number. Be sure to check the box to agree to the terms at the bottom. Once that's done, tap Continue to proceed. Next, choose the image that matches the word shown on the left. After that, enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. Now, you'll be prompted to create a password for your account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. If you see a field labeled Invite a code, enter SKY333 in that box. Using this code ensures you get your 20% discount and extra bonus rewards. That's why I strongly suggest entering the code before finishing registration. Once these steps are finished, your Binance account is officially ready. Next, let's talk about KYC verification. To use peer-to-peer services, withdraw funds, or start trading, you must complete this. Since this involves facial recognition, we'll switch over to your mobile phone. Download and launch the Binance app on your smartphone. Now on the Binance app, log in using the account you just created. After logging in, you'll be taken directly to the identity verification screen. Select your nationality from the list. In this example, I'll choose India. Then, move on to the next verification step. Choose one of the supported identity documents. I'll go with passport verification for this tutorial. Tap Take Pictures to capture the passport information page. Then, press Continue at the bottom of the screen. Position the passport neatly inside the frame and take a clear photo without shadows or glare. Next, we'll move on to facial verification. Center your face in the frame and follow the on-screen. Your verification has now been submitted. Reviewing usually takes about an hour. Once approved, your status will change to verified. Finally, I will tell you how to set up Google Authenticator for enhanced security. Please switch back to your PC screen for this part. Click Account from the menu on the left side. Then, select Security from the list. We'll add an extra security layer using an Authenticator app. Click Manage to continue. Now, choose Enable Authenticator app. Complete the security verification sent to your email or phone. A QR code will then appear on your screen. Now, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus button at the bottom right. Select Scan a QR code from the menu. Scan the QR code shown on your PC screen. You'll now see a 6-digit Binance code in the app. Go back to the Binance page and click Next. Enter the 6-digit code into the Authenticator app code field. Once this is done, Google Authenticator setup is complete. Today, I walked you through the entire 2026 Binance registration process step by step. I kept everything simple and easy to follow, even for complete beginners. If you have any questions after watching, feel free to leave a comment anytime. I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you so much for watching until the very end.